Pradeep Kusain, and we are into mass manufacturing from Idol Technology. We are located in Noida, and our plant is in Surat, Gujarat. Our parental company name is Aura. So we are into surgical mask, 3-ply and 4-ply. So today I am going to introduce you with some of our products. The first one I do have is a high quality 3-ply melt blown surgical mask. I'll tell you the quality. It is of 3-ply, as I said. The inner layer is non-woven, the outer layer is non-woven, and the middle layer is melt blown. If we talk about of the air loops, we call it as a super soft air loops, which is easily adjustable to your ears. It's like a feather feeling, no itching to your ears. If you'll wear for more than 7 to 8 hours, also it can be easily adjustable. Further on, the nose pin. The quality of the nose pin is a recyclable plastic and easily adjustable to your nose. This is ultrasonic punching. You can see this is the front. Here we do have an company logo, Idol, and it can be converted to your company. We can also place your company logo over here on demand. All the required affiliation we do have, which can be available on demands. So this I'm going to show you how to wear this mask, the proper way of wearing this mask. Why I press the nose pin over here? To make it adjust to my nose, and it's an anti-fogging quality also. While wearing specs, it will give you an anti-fogging features. The BFE of this mask is 98%. This product is available in white color and blue color. Now I'm going to show you some test of this mask. Now I'm going to show you the test. First I'm going to show you the water test, and after that the fire test of this melt blown product. Now I'm going to show you the layers of this mask, melt blown. The first layer, as I mentioned to you, is a non-woven. You can see this is the first layer of non-woven. After that I show you the inside layer, which we call the third layer, is also of non-woven, and the middle layer is of melt blown. This is the melt blown, the high grade product which we are using for our mask, the melt blown. Now we're going to show you the water test. Here you can see the water is not passing by. You can see the water is still inside the mask, it's not passing by. You can see here the water is not passing by, it's not passing through. You can see still the water is inside the mask. So this is what we call a water test of the mask. Here I am going to show you the another feature, the another test of this melt blown quality, which is anti-fire. You can see it not catches fire. The good quality melt blown never catches fire. You can see. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we will going to show you another features of our products
Next video.
in next video. Thank you.